As long as I can find some dang royalty-free music. Quillen. That's the light. It's like twisted somehow. I don't know how it got twisted. Don't get it twisted. Alright, so today's goal is we are planting some sweet potatoes and some onions in the upper garden, as we're calling it, at my grandmother's house. So throwing down some grow fabric and try to move the pigs, and also do a little tree work maybe later, and hopefully move the goats as well. Alright, well, got one side of the fence up, ran out of chicken wire, so we're gonna come up with something else. We also got some rubber kind of like netting or whatever that we're going to use, and so we'll try to use that on the sides, I guess, because we've already had some traces of deer out here. So it looks pretty good. I mean, for what it is, it's basically just a deterrent to keep the deer out. I know it's not like super pretty, but it does its purpose. Good morning, Blackfoot. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy? Did you get wet last night? Watch out. What the? Ugh. Sheep poop. Gross. Definitely need to move them. This is gross. The cleanup crew over here. It's the cleanup crew over here. Watch out. Move it. Move it, big boy. Fresh land spots. Take it to move. Burr. You can see it's nice and grown up. They'll have some more forage. Did a really good job with this spot. They don't really eat this stuff too much because it's not a lot of flavor in it probably. It's real stiff. they'll eat the seed heads off of them, as you can see. Not all of them, but most of them right there. And then they'll move on to get mostly forage stuff. They don't like to eat stuff really high. They like to keep their head down and eat the undergrowth. And they like to eat junk like this. So they'll eat the leaves off of these junk trees. Yeah, take care of business. So I'm gonna tell you what, sheep farming, it's fun most of the time. It can be challenging, it can be tough, it can be time consuming, but overall we really enjoy it and we've been having a good time doing it. So hopefully we'll grow our flock and get better at it over time. That's our goal and our thoughts. Blackfoot, be nice. Be nice, Blackfoot. Be a nice boy. Be a nice boy. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. I don't like it when you get behind me, sir. You little trickster. All right, get y'all some fresh water. These little rascals are causing trouble. We've been having some jump overs and some escapees. So what we're doing is we're going to add some of these T-posts and a poly wire along the edge of our fencing, because this is shorter fencing, maybe 38 inches, 36, something like that. And that way maybe they'll be less likely to jump out. I don't know. Really not afraid of them running away, more afraid of predators. So that's what we've been working on today, Memorial Day weekend. So I got some more T-posts here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in and then run some poly wire. Of course it's on. Get. On get. Now I gotta go cut the power off because I didn't realize it was on. Ask me how I figured out how it was on. Hey, little geese. Our little geese babies hatched. We got 4 of them. There was 5, but now we got 4. Well, good morning. It is the day after Memorial Day, and look at all this junk that we got to clean up now. So we trimmed up a little bit on this tree because we weren't getting a lot of sunlight on the garden. Still got a little bit more to trim, but yeah, look at this mess. Crazy. I'm about to go let the sheep out. The geese are acting crazy. Not our geese, but the Canadian geese, the wild geese. So I'm gonna go let them out. Got my weed eater up here, so I gotta grab that. I'm gonna go ahead and weed eat around some of these areas that we planted, because we have some pumpkins and some spaghetti squash and butternut squash plants that we've sown into the field. So I'm gonna weed eat around those and clean them up a little bit today. Ew. So the sheepies are doing good. They are thriving. Really need to work on this field this year, and that's what we're doing. So we're trying to move them a little bit more and sow some other things, some other forage in here that they like, and hopefully that'll improve our soil health and our field health. Fiberglass T-posts to keep the net off of the ground so it doesn't short out and wear my battery down. And also it tightens up the net, and that prevents any other animals from trying to get in, or the sheep from trying to get in. I finished my weed eating, got me a shower, some new clothes that are not sweaty, and it's been raining out here. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know this is kind of a boring vlog, but hopefully I'll include some more build videos and other projects that we're working on soon. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hope that you come back and visit our channel soon. Thanks.